So I found a game for new insurance agents. It's called Bummer. I don't know if you can hear the music. Can you hear it? Is it too loud? A little loud on my side. Okay, so the point of this game is you buy an insurance policy. Come on, little buddy. There we go. You buy an insurance policy and then you spin the wheel of life. Okay. Ooh. So round one, we're going to buy some pet insurance today, friends. All right. So we're able to look at different, the cost of the insurance, what the limits are going to be, and what the deductible is. These are kind of just funny little, little blips there, but we can also see the table view if that's easier for some. So we're going to choose our insurance policy, right? So we've got a pet. What I'm looking at here, though, is we have $5,000 and we love our pets so much. We don't want anything to happen. So I'm going to recommend, let's go with the deluxe. Let's go for the gusto. Who's in?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay. Continue. It's going to cover wellness. So this is going to be our checkups. Corn cob is bad for dogs. So there's a special corn cob insurance, and then snoot protection. Care about puppy's nose. All right, so it's $370. We're going to buy this policy, and now we're going to live life. Okay. Come on. There we go. Trivia. So some employers offer pet insurance as a benefit. Is that true or false?
True.
Let's say true.
You have to pay for it, though.
Right. You're right. Just like anything else, they could have special policies for you to choose from. That's at the discretion of the employer. But you're right, 100%. You're going to have to pay for it. So we kept our eyes out. We just made $100. So our money just went up. Let's spin again. And we're just living life here. And let's see what happens. Big bummer. Okay, dogs are so good, but they can be very dumb. Your dog ate 50 rocks. Why? We'll never know. But rocks don't digest. So the doc's got to get those out. Let's see what happened. All right, so this is going to cost us $4,000. The insurance picks up $3,950 of that. So very simply, we have a $50 deductible, and apparently we just hit our deductible. Okay. Now, next, we wake up the next morning, and what happened? This is great training just to be able to recognize what's on an insurance policy. Awesome. We hit the jackpot of $1. The creators of this game really do crack me up. There we go. And here's our final spin. An ice cream truck hit your car, and you broke your elbow. Luckily, it was their fault, and it's covered by their insurance. Now, it has nothing to do with pet insurance at all, but it's kind of a nice little thing that they added in here for us, some extra learning. Okay, so we survived without going broke. That's the idea of insurance. So we just got another $1,000 of money we didn't spend. This game does go on to renter's insurance. It goes on to auto insurance, and I'll be contacting the creators to ask for more. This is a really cute game.